In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do double exposure in Canva, 5 minutes. Double exposure is that striking look, where a portrait blends with a landscape or texture, creating a dreamy layered image. We'll keep it simple, fast, and clean so you can follow along and get a professional result. Start by logging into Canva. Once you're in, create a new project. Choose any size that fits your needs, an Instagram post, a poster, or a custom dimension. The effect works at any size, but a vertical canvas often looks great for portraits. Now bring in your subject. Upload or select a portrait photo and place it right in the center of the canvas. A high contrast profile or a person against a simple background works best. Make sure the subject is large enough to be the star of the composition, with a little room around the edges so nothing important gets cut off. With the portrait selected, remove the background. Use Canva's background remover in the Edit Photo panel and refine the edges with the Erase and Restore brushes if you need to tidy up hair or clothing. When the cutout looks clean, download the portrait as a PNG. Turn on the transparent background option so the cutout stays isolated. This is key for a clean blend. Create a new page in the same design and insert the image you want to blend with your portrait. This could be a city skyline, a forest, water textures, or abstract shapes. Fill the page so it becomes your base layer. Upload the PNG portrait you just saved and place it on this new page. Scale and position it so the portrait sits where you want the focal point to be. You can overlap edges or keep it centered, whatever suits your concept. Open the Apps panel and find the Blend Images tool. If you don't see it right away, search for it in Apps, then open it. In Blend Images, set up both pictures, your background scene and your portrait PNG. Choose Screen as the blend mode. Screen brightens and lets lighter areas show through, which is ideal for that ethereal double exposure look. Adjust the size and position of each image inside the blend tool if needed. When it looks right, click Add to Design. And that's it. You've created a double exposure effect in Canva. Tweak placement if you like to balance the subject and the scene, and you're done. Clean, creative, and ready to share.